In order to properly clean the steam wand, you must begin by removing the nozzle from the steam wand. Thoroughly clean the nozzle with a warm, damp cloth. Then run the nozzle under warm water. Using a needle, clean the openings on both sides. Dry the nozzle and replace by inserting it back onto the steam wand. It is recommended that the steam wand be cleaned every 200 coffees, or approximately every 3 months.
Philips full automatic espresso machine. Bring cafe quality coffee home with the Philips fully automatic espresso maker. It offers up to 5 different coffee drinks with just the touch of a button. Get the best out of your coffee beans with the durable ceramic grinders and our aroma extracting brew system. The TFT display with icons will make the preparation of coffee from freshly grounded beans extremely easy. The classic milk frother allows you to top your next drink with a silky smooth layer of milk froth. Your coffee, your way.